With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This BMW features rain-sensing wipers, all-wheel drive, and performance package. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include HD radio, a CD player with MP3, satellite radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.